Hey kids! Let's learn about the resistor circuit today. First, remove a small amount of paper backing from the copper tape and start applying the copper tape on the brown trace line. Try to maintain a continuous strip with no cuts. Fold the copper tape at the corners and smoothen with your finger. Mount the resistor to the template and apply copper tape to both legs of the resistor after mounting. Now mount the LED to the template, but before you do this, determine which leg of the LED is positive and which leg is negative. Fold the corner along the given line. Place the battery on the given battery circle with negative side facing down, and use paper clip to secure the corner. Your circuit is now complete. Isn't learning fun?